Why does it matter that we talk about and focus on and have an intention to connect? Connection has a lot of effects, both positive and negative, depending on if we are actually connecting or not connecting. And so that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Let's jump in. All right, so my shirt today says, "Trust me, I'm an engineer." Now, maybe we think sometimes that our titles or our rank, or whether an engineer or a doctor or the president or CEO of the company, you feel like you've earned that trust because of who you are and the status that you have. But trust doesn't just happen because you have some sort of status or title or leader or anything else. Trust is earned through the relationships that we build with each other. And so in order to earn trust, we actually need to extend trust first. This connection is very much related with trust, and it comes down to how we see each other as we seek to understand. It comes when I truly see you and care about who you are, and I understand you in a more personal level. I see you when we're at work. I understand what are your strengths, what are the things that you really enjoy, what are the things that you care about, what are the things that you're trying to accomplish, what are your goals, what are the challenges that you're experiencing. When I see all that stuff and I seek to understand that, then I can take you into account and I can see, how can I best utilize, how can I best help this person, and how can we collaborate together? It allows us then to feel safe because you feel seen, you feel heard, you feel understood, and you're probably going to do the same thing with me. And so that I feel that way, right? And so we feel safe and open to collaborate, to help each other, to support each other. And that collaboration and innovation starts to improve and increase because as leaders, we can see and understand how we can best utilize the different people in our organizations to unlock their potential and connect and utilize them and have them do their best work in alignment with the organizational and team needs, right? So we're going to make the best use of the resources that we have, which are the people, the humans inside of our organizations. Oh, by the way, all of this connection stuff, it's an economic imperative. If you remember seeing the study last year that came out from the US Surgeon General, it was estimated in the US alone that stress-related absenteeism, so people who didn't show up to work, that was attributed to loneliness or lack of connection, it costs employers $154 billion annually. And that's just when they don't show up to work. So if you extend that beyond when they do show up to work, but they're not engaged and they're not feeling connected and they're not really as productive and collaborative as they could be because they're not feeling connected and they're feeling bored and disengaged, well, you could probably multiply that in big ways, right? So when we talk about this concept of connection, it's really important, and there's a huge economic impact into if we're not connected, we're losing out on all sorts of opportunities that we could be doing in terms of innovation and collaboration and productivity. That if we can bring our people together and increase the alignment and the connection with each other, then some amazing things can happen. Hey, my name is Jeff Perry. I'm a leadership and career development expert. I'm the author of The Intentional Engineer. And these days I'm talking a lot about connection with intention. And so I'd love to talk with you and help you to figure out how can you improve the connection in the people that you work with to unlock some of those opportunities and the potential that all of you have to do amazing work and have more joy and satisfaction as you do that. I create transformative experiences and training programs to do just that. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out and let's connect. And I hope to see you on the next video. Take care.